Gonna to show you how to download and install Firefox on Windows or laptops. So guys, if you want to add Firefox on your window or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, open Chrome browser and type here Firefox. Click on Firefox. You will see result Mozilla.original. So click on download. Get the browser that product what is important. So click on download Firefox. So learning download. Open. After click on run. Install at your PC. That is so complete. Now this is computer Firefox browser. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to download and install Firefox in Windows or laptops. So this is very simple and easy and quickly method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.